Well, the garden started in earnest in 1991, and it has been developing ever since. And it's going to continue to develop. That's the wonderful thing about gardens, is that they're always changing, they're always growing, they're always expanding. We're always trying to offer new ideas and concepts to people who come and visit. A lot of people, I think, when they hear the word wildflower, they think of weeds. They think of something that's going to run rampant in the garden. So it's really been an important thing for me and our team here at Shaw Nature Reserve to establish gardens that sort of tear down that misnomer. The gardens that we have here are traditional looking, and you can walk through them and not know that they're native plants. If you think that native plants are a bunch of weeds, I think that we've really taken native plant gardening to a level that I think could fit into any botanical garden, any neighborhood, and really be seamless as just another garden. The Wildflower Garden and Shaw Nature Reserve is a great resource for people who want to get out to hike, to relax, to walk in a beautiful place where nature is all around.